Tá chamando.
Heavy downpours have caused landslides and flooding in the coastal cities of Brazil's richest state, Sao Paulo, which has so far received more than 600 millimeters of rain, which is the highest cumulative figure in the country's history. The state government said more rain is expected soon as a new cold front contributes to the formation of heavy clouds over the region, and moderate to heavy showers and are forecast very soon.
Mano, a seta tá sendo direto. Meu Deus do céu. Esse é um lugar com terra firme. Ó.
Floods in the coastal state of Sao Paulo are the latest in a series of similar disasters that have recently hit Brazil, where substandard construction, often in hillsides, can have tragic consequences during the rainy season in the country. The government added that key roads such as the Mogi, Bertioga and Rio Santos motorways remained blocked due to the landslides, while the state-owned water company SAPES managed to restore water supply in the region.